How to see liked videos on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find all the liked videos that you have liked on YouTube, whether you are using an iPhone, Android or a computer. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And once you have opened it, simply play any video that you want. And once you are inside the video, simply tap on the thumbs up or a like button below the video. And once liked, the icon will turn bold, confirming your actions. But what if you want to find this video later? Now let me show you how you can say it. To do that, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you are on your YouTube profile, here you can see the playlist section. Under that, simply tap on like videos, and here you will see all your liked videos in one place. And you can also see the playlist is private, meaning that only you can see it. And if you tap on three dots, you can remove the video from your liked video playlist, save to another playlist, or you can download for offline viewing if available. And that's it. Now you know how to find and manage your liked videos on YouTube no matter what device you are using. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.